What if you did 100 push-ups every day for a month? A health expert's perspective. A health expert would likely approach the idea of doing 100 push-ups every day for a month with a balanced perspective, considering both potential benefits and risks. Here's a health expert's perspective on this area. Potential health benefits. Improved upper body strength. Consistently performing 100 push-ups daily can lead to increased strength in the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, contributing to improved upper body strength. Muscle endurance enhanced. High repetition push-ups can enhance muscle endurance, allowing for better performance in sustained physical activities. Calories expenditure. Regular doing 100 push-ups can contribute to increased caloric expenditure, potentially supporting weight management and fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. Convenience and accessibility. Push-ups are a convenient and accessible bodyweight exercise that requires no equipment, making them a practical option for maintaining a consistent exercise routine. Mood and mental well-being. Exercise, including push-ups, is associated with improved mood and reduced stress, thanks to the release of endorphins. Potential health risks. Overtraining and injury risk. Performing 100 push-ups every day may increase the risk of overtraining, potentially leading to muscle strains, joint issues, or overuse injuries. Muscle imbalances. Relying solely on push-ups may neglect certain muscle groups, potentially causing imbalances in strength and flexibility. Including a variety of exercises is essential for a well-rounded fitness routine. Joint stress. The repetitive nature of push-ups can put stress on the shoulder and elbow joints, potentially leading to joint problems over time. Plateau in progress. The body may adapt to the 100 push-up routine, resulting in a plateau in progress. Incorporating variability and progression in the workout routine is crucial for sustained improvement. Lack of overall fitness. Depending exclusively on one exercise may not provide a comprehensive approach to fitness. Incorporating exercises targeting different muscle groups and fitness components is essential for overall health. Recommendations. Individualized. Fitness plans should be tailored to individual fitness levels, goals, and health conditions. What works for one person may not be suitable for another. Variation in exercise routine, including a variety of exercises alongside push-ups, ensures a well-rounded fitness routine, preventing imbalances and promoting overall health. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest days are crucial to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injuries. Muscles need time to recover and adapt. Proper form. Emphasizing proper push-up form is essential to minimize the risk of injury. Seeking guidance from a fitness professional or using reputable resources for technique is recommended. Listen to your body. Pay and get attention to how the body responds to the exercise routine is vital. Adjustments to intensity.